Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some tips for faster video editing. So here are some tips to help you edit your videos more efficiently. The first one is you need to plan and organize. So you can create a storyboard or outline. Create a visual or written plan of your video to guide your editing process. And here you need to also organize your files, so you need to keep your videos, files and assets organized in a clear structure. For example, you can compile it in the same folder or in the same locations like this. And the second one is that you need efficient editing techniques, like you need to use the keyboard shortcut. You can learn and use keyboard shortcut for common editing actions, like on CapCut right here. If you want to learn some shortcuts, you can just click on the shortcut button at the top, and here you can use this when you are editing your projects. And you can also use timecode scrubbing to quickly navigate through your footage. And if you need to apply the same changes to multiple clips, you can use batch editing features. And you can also utilize templates and presets for common editing tasks to save your time. And the third one is the hardware and software optimization. So you need to invest in a powerful computer with a fast processor, ample RAM, and a dedicated graphics card. And you can also optimize your software, like use a video editing software that is optimized your workflow. Maybe you can use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or maybe Premiere Pro or After Effects. So that's up to you. You can also store your video files and assets on an external hard drive or SSD to improve performance. And the third one, or the last one here, you need to focus on the essential. Cut out any unnecessary footage and avoid over editing. So keep your edits simple and avoid excessive transition or effects. You can also prioritize quality over quantity. So focus on creating high quality video rather than simply editing as much footage as possible. As for additional tips, you need to take breaks. So avoid burnout by taking short breaks during your editing session. And you can also learn from other experienced video editors. And don't forget to experiment and practice. The more you edit, the faster and more efficient you will become. So by following these tips, I hope you can significantly speed up your video editing process. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye!